Good morning, folks. We're an idiot. But the good news is I've made wrong turns. None of that has to be noticed. Welcome to another one. We're here on the side of the road. Cold weather is arriving. It's 46 degrees right now. It's election day. I'm on my way to get my hair cut. Got my special watch on my wrist to show my barber, because the last time I went and got my hair cut, we just started talking about watches and I mentioned this one. And he said he wanted to, rather than show him a picture. I'm also selling my car today. Later today. So today's like the first, I'm considering it like I don't have my car anymore. Obviously later in the day when I have a ride back, I will be driving down to CarMax and I'm selling them my car. Just don't need it. Had fun with it. It was a good car to get me from point A to point B and enjoy the process of driving while I was getting myself around. But you could argue that's what this bike can do now. And any life things like going places together with the old lady, grocery stores, Home Depots. Of course, I'm probably going to go to Home Depot after I get my hair cut today right now. But I'm literally just getting like nails. But, you know, big stuff, her car can do that. So, plus, another car may be coming my way shortly. I might find something for myself if needed. But I just don't want to deal with the payments anymore. And the monthly expenses. I'd rather turn that into savings right now. We just don't need it. Obviously this is going up days after election day, or possibly even weeks, but if you're in the US and you are of age, I hope you voted. Whoa. What on earth? What is going on here, people? Waving to the highway. Wonder how many people are looking at me like I'm crazy on a bike in this weather. It's really, I mean, it's not that bad, dude. Just like layer up, you know? If there's ice and salt on the road, that's different. Slush. But like right now, man, it's just a little brisk, you know? Yeah, it's like riding in your car with your windows down maybe, but I'm out here. I'm feeling the seasons. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did not want to hit that. That didn't look fun. This dog. I really don't care if people look at me like I'm crazy for riding around in this weather, this cold. Gotta do it. Has to be done. Oh, I just stalled my freaking bike. Thought I was in neutral. That's pretty funny. Idiot. Nincompoop. That was embarrassing. Good thing no one really saw that, I don't think. People on the road as pedestrians look more miserable than me, so I'm not miserable at all. I'm chilling. I'm loving this. Come on now. What is this? I still can't believe I just stalled my bike. Too funny. Oh, that's the barber shop right there. What is this, a brewery? Oscar Blues Brewery. Right next to my barber shop. That's pretty dope. Alright, we'll check in a little bit later. See you, fam.